So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you along with me, just hang along and see what we do today, the whole day. We're gonna do just a chill day with us. I'm gonna be at home. My daughter is also at home because she's not going to school today, right baby? So yeah, we're gonna just do some stuff around the house and see how the day goes. So this is gonna be more of a vlog style video. So yeah, let's just chill today. Guys, recently I've been reading this book that I've received from my boyfriend. It's Finding Me by Viola Davis. I am almost done with the book. I'm at page 219 and it's a really good read. I'm loving it, so I'm going to just chill a little bit more in bed, read a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go up and brush her teeth, make some breakfast, and start the day. So yeah, this little girl, she's watching both her iPad and she's also watching, let me show you, she's also watching SpongeBob. So she's doing a whole lot. But recently I've also been enjoying what do you call it, Gordon Ramsay, that cooking show, what's it called, Hell's Kitchen. I've been enjoying that show recently, actually. So I feel like I really need some coffee to start my day, but hold on, I'm gonna see.
Here's Marine Stadium. Yeah, it's a nice flat water stadium.
Guys, I've been really trying to cut down on my coffee intake because I drink a lot of coffee, like way too much, and it's like, I don't know, I have problems with my tummy because of it, and my partner's also voiced his opinion about my caffeine intake. So yeah, the girl gotta cut down on coffee. I'm gonna drink some iced tea probably, and then I'm gonna see what the day has. As for me, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna open the doors or the blinds or whatever, and then I'm going to start my day. Yes, it's the window is open there, so it's bright and beautiful in the kitchen, and I'm just gonna open the door to the living room and see what's going on out on the balcony. I tell you, man, it's a beautiful day, really really beautiful. Let me show you what's going on. So let's see, it's like and I need to water my plants because they're really dying. So I need to water them more. So yeah, so I'm just gonna, I need to pick up some stuff. Look at my couch, my sofa. It's not, my home is not dirty, but it's like there is stuff all over the goddamn place. So I need to just pick up and put away. And you can see in the kitchen area there's just stuff all over the place. So I need to put away some stuff, pick up some stuff. There's dishes to be done, and I need to put away, throw those fruits out, and make myself some breakfast. And you can see here the kitchen, the bathroom, I need to do some stuff there too. And yeah, this is your girl. I need to start my day. Oh, I'm tired. Oh goddamn. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, the hallway is a goddamn mess, so I'm gonna do that too. And there she is. And I did some laundry and I need to fold them. I literally threw the laundry on the ground because I was so tired yesterday. I had no energy to fold anything, so I just threw them on the ground, and I'm planning on, getting that together. But before doing anything, I think I need a smoothie. I'm hungry, man. I wake up oh my god, look at the sun on my skin. It's glowing. I need something to eat because I'm hungry, and I think I'm gonna make a avocado smoothie and drink that in bed and then chill a little bit before I get up and actually start my day. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, guys. So let me see. So as you can see here, guys, we're just gonna lay back in bed a little bit, chill, you know, have a chill start at the day. I made a smoothie for me and my angel because we were hungry. We ate early yesterday before bed and we were starving. So I made a healthy smoothie, or somewhat of a healthy smoothie. There's like banana, blueberries, I think some spinach, some milk, and I can't remember, there's something else in it, but anyway, nevertheless. And I am going to read my book because, guys, recently I told you guys I've been reading this book. I said it in the intro, I've been reading this book, and I'm just gonna put my earplugs on and read because this little girl, she's doing so much at the same time, and just to not have the eyes to be focused, I'm gonna just read a little bit and start my morning. This is something I really want to incorporate more in my morning routines. I want to read a little bit more because, like I've said in previous videos, I used to be a reader, but I haven't been reading so much these days, and I want to get back into the routine of reading. Thankfully, I have a boyfriend that is a reader, loves to read gracefully, so I can, that's like an advantage. He can help me, or he's motivating me, or trying to get me back into reading, and I'm so happy for that. So thank you, boyfriend. And yeah, I'm just gonna do my thing, you know, and yeah, read my book, and then I'm gonna start the day.
In the town on the hill where the apples grow, and the church bells ring every hour or so, I took a little walk just to see the ships coming in. The sun rose up right above the highway, black, blue, red, yellow, golden skyway. It's like the day that you jump into the wind. I can't go back down to that water again. These old muddy shoes keep on walking the streets. Someone's bride buying Egyptian sheets, the window display of some little store in town. And there's my reflection against the morning light. Hello, Mr. Ghost, Mr. Skeleton White. You better comb your hair, you better wipe that George Clay off your brow. You better stand up straight, man, these people hardly recognize you now. Lord, carry me like a sailing ship. Comfort me before I slip around the dark side of the moon. All this spinning around hurts my head. I just sit here lonesome for you. There's a million things I would rather do instead. I know it takes a lot to change a worried mind, and I know it takes a year to see the warm summertime. But I'm made of nails, man, made of tombstone and tall, tall trees. But the tombstone fades and the nails will rust. The tall oak trees, they all turn to dust. A little every day, it's so slow that you can't even see. I guess I'll try to find another thing to be. Lord, carry me like a sailing ship. Comfort me before I slip.
So guess what happened, guys? The camera died. Like right in the middle of everything, my camera goddamn died. I think I need to get like an extra battery or something. But when the camera died, I decided that, you know, I'm trying, like I said before, I'm trying to finish this book. So I sat and I read a little bit because, yeah, I'm trying to get it done. But now I'm back in business, so I'm going to get up and finish cleaning up and do what I have to do. I feel like it's like a very warm day. It's very hot here in Sweden, and I want to go out. I don't know if I should take my daughter to the playground. There's even like a festival, and I haven't been there. It's like, yeah, in the city where I live, and I feel like I want to go to that festival, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna see where I get to. But for right now, I'm gonna like continue to, like, you know, do what I was doing before the camera died. And yeah, so
let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
And as always, guys, it's like a never-ending story. The dishes take forever. The dishwasher's running. I'm unwashing some of the dishes and it's still not done. But you know what? I'm getting closer. I'm almost done. Yeah, it's moving forward. So I just might get to go out with this little girl today. I don't know, but we'll still see. So I'm just gonna do these dishes. I got some fruits and vegetables the other day too. I need to put them away. And I'm the kind of person that buys a lot, like over shop, and stuff like goes bad. As you can see, I just throw these like grapes away and I barely even use them. They've been there since like forever and I don't know, but yeah.
Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome? If you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms. If I could make you see it, baby, we'd be something. Something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, let's go out. When I see you moving, hey, like me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome? If you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms. Oh, you make me up, hey, let's go out. When I see you moving, hey, like me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
So I'm about to tackle my bedroom. I'm gonna make my bed because you know I'm the kind of person that like to make my bed first thing in the morning, because if my bed is not made, I just feel so like uneasy. Like I need my bed made to feel like I actually have started the day. It's very important to me. Like some days, now every day doesn't look the same. I don't always make my bed first thing in the morning. Sometimes I don't even get to make my bed if I'm like in a rush, how to work, wake up late, and you know, gotta get shit done. But it's very important to me, guys. Recently my bed, it's been so hot here, so I have to keep the blinds closed throughout the day to keep my bedroom cool. I have a fan in my room, but it's like not doing much. It's a small one, but it's so goddamn warm, and I really like to just have my bedroom cool and nice. I can just get in my bed, lie, and everything is just nice and cool and comfortable. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish making my bed and then I'm gonna finish cleaning up and doing the rest of things that I need to do, that needs to be done.
Du bad mig över telefon. Jag borde sett det komma långt ifrån. Och kom igen, bara se det då.
Here I am about to tackle the task that I hate the most. It's the laundry. I hate folding the laundry. I have no problem like doing the laundry, but when it comes to folding the laundry, I can procrastinate. I can just do the like I've had these laundry like done like for like 2-3 days now, but I can't get around to folding them. Like I just put them aside, I push them to the side of the bed and I sleep and I'm like, and don't judge me because I know a lot of you guys do that too. Like, I hate folding the laundry. Jesus Christ, I can't hate it more. It's like just so freaking hard for me to get around to do this task. I don't know. If you guys have tips on like how to do it, like get, like doing it, I don't know. Not that I think one can like doing the laundry, but if you have any tips that can make it easier, this one chore for me, please comment so I can literally take it into consideration, because I don't know if I should start like folding the laundry in the laundry room after doing it, or that's not something I do, but I don't like it. I really don't like it, and I'm like, I just wish I could get some help right now, but I have to do it. It has to be done, so I'm just gonna do it. So at this point into our cleaning, we're getting hungry and tired. So your girl is gonna whip some food up. My daughter said she's in the mood for some pasta and some shrimp, and that's what she's going to get. So ask and you shall be served, my princess. And me, I'm really feeling for a salad. I think I'm gonna make a quick summer salad, something really full of like vegetables and cucumber, and I might throw some of that pasta in it. I don't know, but we'll see. So here you can see your girl whipping up some shrimp. I'm gonna cut up some carrots, some cucumbers, a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and you guys should just hang along and see what I am going to whip up.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So guys, so far I feel like I've had a productive day. We're gonna eat. I think I showed you the salad that I made. This is the salad. I made a big salad because I've been feeling for a summer salad, and I made some pasta with some shrimp, and yeah, there my baby, she's eating. So I want to say, yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. So thank you guys for hanging along with us today. I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you've not followed me yet, please press the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. And thank you guys again. Until next time, bye.
This was very